Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Through this video, I am going to solve two questions of exercise 7.6. This question is based on integration by parts. Okay, this is the question number 1 and this is the question number 3. Here, according to the method of integration by parts, here u is the first function and v as a second function is equal to first function into u is the first function and v as a second function. First function into integration of second function minus integration of whole, this one means differentiation of first function, this is the first function, u as the first function, and integration of second function, here v as a second function. Okay children, this is the formula for finding the integration when the two function given as the product. Okay, here u is the first function and v as the second function. According to this rule, here ILATE, here ILATE means I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithm, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. Here in the question number 1, there are two functions. One is the algebraic function, and another is trigonometric function. Here, according to this rule, we have algebraic function and trigonometric function. Here, algebraic function is come before the trigonometric function. Okay, so first we will choose the first and the second function. Here, algebraic function means x as the first function and this one will be second function. Okay children, now by using this formula we can find the integration of this function. Okay, so first function into integration of second function minus integration of differentiation. Now the differentiation of the first function, here first function is x. Okay children, so differentiation of x into integration of second function sin x dx and integration of this whole function. Now children, do you know about the integration of sine function? Integration of sine function is minus cos x. Now it will become minus x cos x minus differentiation of x with respect to x will be 1 and integration of sin x, you know that minus cos x minus and this minus will be plus. Okay, now it will become cos x dx. In the next step, here integration of cos x will be sin x plus c. Okay children, this is the integration of this function. Now I am going to solve third question of this exercise. Here we have two functions. One function is algebraic, x square is algebraic function, and e power x is exponential. Here we have two functions. One function is algebraic and another function is exponential. So first function will be this one and second function will be this one. So integration of x square into e power x dx. This one will be first function and this one will be second function. Now according to this rule, first function into integration of second function minus integration of the differentiation of the first function dex of x square into integration of e power x second function x square into e power x minus differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square will be 2x into e power x dx. Again we can differentiate this function. Here we have now we have two functions. One is the algebraic and another is exponential. X square into e power x minus 2x into e power x dx. Here again this function will be first function and this will be second function. Okay children. Again I am using this formula for finding the integration of this function. Here x into this one x square into e power x minus 2 times x into integration of e power x dx minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function e power x dx. Okay children, dx. Now x square into e power x minus 2 times integration of e power x x into e power x minus differentiation of x will be 1 and integration of e power x dx. X square into e power x minus 2 times x into e power x minus e power x plus c. X square into e power x minus 2x into e power x plus 2 times e power x plus c. Okay children, this is the required answer. Okay children, this is the required integration of the question number 3. Okay, thank you so much.